Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be looking at a function which we're going to view as a bit of a shortcut called the view link function. Okay, so you come up to view at the top here, across to link, and then down to the same level. Now what this function does is pretty cool actually, and for those of you who use automation, you'll know that if you wanted to change a parameter like the high cut and then EQ, you'd have to come down to here, come down to EQ, and then up to the high cut frequency up here, and go ahead and click that. Now with the function you just enabled, so link, view, link, and then same level, what you're doing is you're basically just telling Logic to, every time you click on a plugin and a specific parameter in that plugin, to just bring it up here in the automation window. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So if I want to change the high cut, as I've just showed you, you could, go through the menu, or now we've clicked this view, link, and same level. All you need to do is click on the parameter in the plugin that you want to change. So I've clicked on high cut there, and then down here in the automation channel strip, it's now switched to high cut frequency, and I can then just adjust that as I want, which is pretty cool. Now it won't actually put in any automation until you click on on the actual line and put your nodes in as you would normally, but it's just a really helpful way of getting to that point quicker. So then if you wanted to go to low cut frequency, you could do that, and it's immediately there. You don't have to go through and find exactly where low cut frequency is on here. It's just much quicker. And the coolest thing is that it works with third-party plugins as well. So I've got Decapitator up here by Soundtoys, and if I wanted to change the drive function here, then down here it should now switch to that as well, and there we go. So pretty cool. Basically anything you want to change, it will immediately find the right parameter for you to change it in your automation. So like I said, it's a kind of shortcut. It is a function, but we're kind of using it as a bit of a shortcut, which I think is pretty cool, to be fair. Speeds up your workflow. And is just generally much quicker. Okay, that's kind of the video really. Pretty straightforward. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of these videos, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.